Welcome to our quick guide on deleting unread emails in the Gmail app. If your inbox is overflowing, this simple method will help you clean things up fast and keep you organized. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once it's loaded, look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. This opens a sidebar with all your folders and labels. In the menu, locate and tap on the unread folder. This view filters your inbox to show only emails you haven't opened yet, making it easy to see what still needs attention. From there, find the unread email you want to delete. You'll see a list of messages that haven't been read yet. Scroll if needed to pick the ones you want to remove. Now comes the quick part. Long press the unread email you've chosen to select it. When selected, you'll notice a checkmark appear next to the message, and the top toolbar will change to show additional options. With the email selected, tap the trash bin icon at the top of the screen to delete it. The message will be moved to trash, where it can be permanently deleted later or restored if needed. If you want to remove multiple unread emails at once, simply long press the first unread message to select it, then tap additional messages to select several. Once you've chosen all the items, tap the trash bin icon to delete them in a single action. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Regularly empty your trash to free up space, and consider setting up filters or labels so unread emails don't pile up in the future. You can also adjust notification settings to focus on important messages and minimize inbox clutter. That's all there is to deleting unread emails in the Gmail app. It's a straightforward process that takes just a moment and can dramatically improve how you manage your email on the go. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who could benefit.